Alright, here in the garage to make a video of resetting the light, the service light, oil light is on. So that's what I'm going to do. If this catches it. Alright, let's switch this off, and next step is to open up this guy. Okay, simple. This should be easy peasy. Just get there, do that. This cover comes off. Hold on, Noah, making a video here. Alright, this thing comes off. Right, this thing comes off. Let's put these things on the floor here so that no one steps on them. There's this small thing that opens up. Let's put that there. This thing comes off, and this thing I just gotta get the weather cover off of it. There, that's off. Alright, so next step is to put this cable onto there. This is going to give me the OBD port. Let's do that. Okay, done. Cool. Next step is to get this cable connected to my laptop. Let's before I do that, I gotta load up the license that I just got for JPDiag. So I'm just gonna load the license. Actually, you know what? I may make a video of that also, so stand by. So this is simple. I just downloaded it. I'm pasting the file here. Before I start this Melcodiag up, I'm just going to connect the cable to my laptop. Okay, so I'm going to connect the cable here. Okay, look at this, the lights are on. Plug this guy in here. Okay, and then let's start Melcodiag up. Column 7, 2013 and up. Connect. Oh, I think I have to switch the ignition on. So let's do that. Oh, there were some lights flashing here. Missed that, I guess, but getting ECU data right there, getting hardware, getting software version, getting WIN. Okay, let me just switch on getting DTCs. Well, let's see if I can reset it without the ignition being on. I'm a little worried about the battery dying on me. Okay, it seems like it's all done. Resets, service interval, that's the one. Okay, no, I don't have that option, so I will switch it on. Yeah, I don't see the lights on for main and dashboard. Usually those come on when I connect. Okay. Oh, it's still here. Papa? Yes, Noah?
I want to do that.
Okay, come here. Yeah, take. Can you reach here? Yeah. This, do the other way. This way. Good. Alright. So that's on. Oil is on. Let's try again. Let's disconnect and connect. What is it going to do? I saw lights flashing. Lots happening this time around. Okay, so we have to keep the ignition in the on position. Checking for ECUs. Checking for ECU data. Getting ECU data. Anything else? Flash is such a long time, but I mean, it says getting ECU data, but the light doesn't flash on the OBD2 cable. So this is going to be done soon. Yeah, see, this time around main ECU and dashboard came on. I'll wait till this finishes, otherwise Melco, sometimes I've noticed that the software just crashes. Oh, lots happening here. Oh, we missed it. But there was a lot of lights flashing here. Okay. Getting VIN. Okay, let's wait for that. Thank you. Getting DTCs. Come on. Oh, lots of lights flashing here again. There we go. I think we're good to go. Now let's do resets. Aha! Service interval. Right now it says service next to the N. Let's get a closer shot of that. Right here. I'm hoping that'll go away. Let's see. Okay, service interval. Oh, it's gone. I wish I should have. It's gone, yay! Okay, cool. So that's it, guys. I'm going to play around with this other stuff. Maybe not in our night right now. It's Canada. It's really, really cold here. So I'm going to go back inside and warm up. But this thing works. Awesome. Thanks.